Welcome to Rise Mathematics. In this video, we're going to find the nth term of a quadratic sequence. I suggest watching the video on finding the nth term of a linear sequence. For this sequence, we need to find the difference between each term. So from 3 to 6, we need to add 3. From 6 to 11, we need to add 5. From 11 to 18, we need to add 7. And from 18 to 27, we need to add 9. This is what we call the first difference. We noticed that when it was a linear sequence, we had the same difference each time. However, in a quadratic sequence, the first difference will not be the same. So we need to find the second difference. From 3 to 5, we add 2. From 5 to 7, we need to add 2. And from 7 to 9, we add 2 again. This is the second difference. To find the nth term of a quadratic sequence, we halve the second difference to get the n squared. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1 n squared. The next step is to write the square numbers. So 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4, 3 squared will be 9, 4 squared will be 16, and 5 squared 25. These are all our square numbers. Then we would take away from the original sequence. So 3 minus 1 gives us 2. 6 minus 4 will give us 2 again. 11 minus 9 equals 2. 18 minus 16 is 2. 27 minus 25 equals 2. That means that the nth term of this sequence is n squared plus 2. Now let's find the nth term of this harder quadratic sequence. We need to find the first difference. From 9 to 8, we add 9 each time. From 18 to 31, we add 13. Then we need to add 17. And then we need to add 21. We need to find the second difference now. From 9 to 13, we need to add 4. From 13 to 17, we add 4. From 17 to 21, we need to add 4. Then we need to halve the second difference to get our nth term. So 4 divided by 2, that will be 2n squared. The next step is to write the square numbers times by 2. So 2 times 1, that would be 2. 2 times 4, that would be 8. 2 times 9, that is 18. 2 times 16, that would be 32. And 2 times 25, that would be 50. We now need to subtract the square numbers from the original sequence. 9 minus 2, that would be 7. 18 minus 8 gives us 10. 31 minus 18 gives us 13. 48 minus 32 gives us 16, and 69 minus 50 is 19. We notice that we now have a new sequence. So let's find the difference between these terms. From 7 to 10, we add 3. From 10 to 13, we need to add 3. 13 to 6, we add 3. 16 to 19, we add 3. We now notice that we have a linear sequence because the difference is the same each time. We now need to find the nth term of this new linear sequence. So we have 3n. We subtract the difference from the first term, which is 7. So 7 minus 3 equals to 4. So the nth term will be 3n plus 4. We combine the two things together to get the nth term of our original quadratic sequence, and that is 2n squared plus 3n plus 4. Let's now try to find the nth term of this quadratic sequence. Feel free to pause the video and give this a go. We need to find the first and the second difference. From 6 to 17, we add 11. From 17 to 34, we add 17. From 34 to 57, we add 23. From 57 to 86, we add 29. This is the first difference. Now we need to find the second difference. From 11 to 17, we add 6. From 17 to 23, we add 6. From 23 to 29, we add 6 each time. We then halve the second difference to get the n squared. 6 divided by 2, that is 3n squared. We now write the square numbers multiplied by 3. Our first square number is 1. 1 times 3, that will be 3. Our second square number is 4. 4 times 3, that will be 12. Our third square number is 9. 9 times 3, that is 27. Our fourth square number is 16. 16 times 3, that will be 48. And 25 times 3, that is 75. We now subtract these numbers from the original sequence. 6 minus 3, that gives us 3. 17 minus 12, that is 5. 34 minus 27, that will be 7. 57 minus 48, that will be 9. 86 minus 75 equals to 11. We now have a new sequence and we need to find the nth term of this new sequence. From 3 to 5, we notice that we need to add 2. From 5 to 7, we need to add 2. From 7 to 9, we add 2. And from 9 to 11, we add 2. Because the difference is the same each time, that means we have a linear sequence. That means the nth term of this sequence is 2n. We now subtract the difference from the first term, which is 3. 3 minus 2, that equals to 1. That means the nth term of this sequence is 2n plus 1. We now add the nth term of this linear sequence to find the nth term of the quadratic sequence. So by adding 3n squared plus 2n plus 1, we now have the nth term of our original sequence. Thanks for watching. See you next time.